And would you be willing to play a little game with me?
I'd love
too,
to play a
at the
game.
end of
That
the
sounds
show?
a lot of fun.
Awesome, dude. Awesome. All right. Let's do this. Let's play our next game, and our phone lines are open for any of you guys that would like to call in and play. Otherwise, we can try to stump Steve Sanders here too. It's time to play Stop. Hey, what's that sound? All right. Okay. Welcome back. Now, my good friend TJ, or Emma, or anybody else that would like to call in may do so. This is a good time to do it because this is a little game. I still have this microphone in my hand. It's not plugged in. It doesn't work. It's kind of like an ice cream cone. Here's how it works. You guys are going to hear sound effects, and Steve, you too, that sound something like this. Now, don't be alarmed. That's the magic of technology, dude. That's not a real dog. But we're going to play sound effects, and it's up to you guys to give us a call and tell us what you think it is. Or we also have Mr. Expert over here on sounds and musics and whatnots. Steve Sanders, we can try to stump you too. So let's go ahead. Phone lines are open. Give us a call. But in the meantime, here's the first sound. Let's do this. Here we go. Good luck. What? Whoa, dude. That was fun. I think I know what that is.
It sounded familiar.
Let's hear it one more time, Mr. Wizard. Whoa, dude. All right. Now, if anybody wants to call in and take a guess, otherwise, Mr. Steve Sanders, do you have any idea?
If there is a hockey rink that exists within a large echo chamber and somebody were skating at a very fast velocity, stopped quickly and did a slap shot and it hit the post in the back of the net for a goal, is that it? Is that it?
We also, Mr.
Please
Wizard?
name the player.
It sounded vintage, so I'm going to go with Bobby Orr.
Well, it wasn't really Bobby Orr skating on the... Wow, how did you do that, dude? Wait a minute.
I've listened to hundreds of different slapshot sound effects, and I clearly knew that one.
Okay, all right. Wow, you guys are really pulling one over our eyes. I don't believe that for a second. All right, I'm gonna do this. What? I don't need this. I'm just gonna drop it, right, Ben? You said I could drop it. No, here. All right, I'm gonna play too, but I'm gonna plug my ears. Okay, go ahead. I just realized that I can't play this game that way. That doesn't work.
Use your eyes. You have other senses.
Okay, right. Dude, I could use some help. But you want to call in and help me? I think I have a guess. I'm not sure, Steve. Do you know?
I'm not sure. It sounds like it could be a lot of different things. Maybe it's the sound of birds migrating north back to Minnesota in the springtime.
Dude, yes. Wait, there it is again. Oh, I know. It is the sound of my grandma's house on bridge night when they're playing cards. Oh, hey, when were you at my grandma's house? Oh, it's just a general. It doesn't specifically have to be my grandma. Oh, it's some cards, shuffling. Got it.
Yeah,
Got it.
I hear it now.
Mr. Wizard, I've never heard these before. Are these new, bro? All right. Steve, you're up.
All right, let's do it.
Good luck. Wow.
Jelly beans in a blender?
Yeah, I don't know, dude. That's a complicated one.
I think a caller might know. Is there anybody that's watching that might know what that is and help us out?
Let's play it one more time, Mr. Wiz. And then... can I just say it, dude? Because I really know what it is, and I really want to say it.
Well, Can I have one more guess?
Okay, go ahead.
Is it Rice Krispies in maple syrup? No? God, I thought
Oh, that's the sound of the Steve Sanders You So Close bongos. Good for you.
All right, all right.
You have your own sound effect named after you. It is Rice Krispies, but I'm going to say it's regular milk being poured into it. Is that correct, Mr. Wizard? That is the sound of the dude. You are so awesome trumpet fanfare.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's a better sound effect to have named after you.
Yes, indeed. All right. We're on a roll here. Let's do this. We've got a few more minutes left in the show. Phone lines are open if you'd like to call in. In the meantime, let's keep doing this. This is fun. I love this. All right, Mr. Wizard. That's a really funny sound. Dude. Oh, do you know what that is?
Something with water, maybe a fish jumping in and out of water.
Is it the rare? I think it's Doggy drinking from his water bowl. I am good. I am so good. Awesome. You're close, but I nailed it.
Yep, that was pretty good.
But you like loosened up the bottle of ketchup for me. I was at first
true.
I couldn't.
Gave it one of those.
You gave it and then you did it, and then I'm happy. Cool. We're on a roll, dude. Let's do this. You want to do another one?
Sure.
Okay. Good luck.
That sound effect was pretty familiar.
Okay, there we go. All right, awesome, dude. Cool. I wasn't paying attention. Can we have that again? Sorry, what was that? Something there was. We're on TV or something. Pop music sensation Psy dancing to Gangnam Style. I got the sound of the Steve Sanders You So Close bongos. Sorry, no. I think it's got to be a horse galloping, and specifically the Pony Express delivering mail between Oregon and Washington. Okay,
That
good.
sounded
That's
exactly
good,
right.
dude.
That sounded exactly right. How did you get that?
Awesome. I'm just good. I'm just that good. All right, cool. All right, let's do this. We've got time for a couple more, so let's go ahead. Mr. Wizard, what's our next one, dude?
I feel like I'm camping suddenly, out in the wilderness. Sitting by a campfire as the sun is going down.
Yeah.
Fishing in a great northern Minnesota lake? What could it be?
We're looking for a specific animal.
I'm gonna say it is a Louisiana spotted bullfrog that's only about 6 months old.
7 months old.
Oh, dude, how did you do that? Awesome. This is insane. All right, I'd like to do this, Mr. Wizard. I know this is going to be unprecedented, but could I play in the last 3 minutes? Could we bring up like a song for Steve to